Hello, class. I just wanted to make a brief announcement about, the importance of rubrics. For this project one assignment, again, going back to the project, although it's project 1, 2, and 3, it's all part of one big project, and you're just, starting the project and then you build upon it. But anyway, when you go and you look at the requirements for the project, I know it's pretty wordy, with the overview, and then, they discuss UML diagrams, and there's a tutorial on UML diagrams, and then it starts, telling you where to look at the different patterns and UML diagrams. And then we get down to the application. When as we're doing this application, I don't want you to get too concerned about being a Java programmer. There is some Java, and so, we will be using Java through the course. But if you go and you look, the Java program's already built, and you're just going in there and you're fixing certain areas. And so if you look at, for example, in the README file, the text version right here, of the fix me, it tells you exactly where you need to make changes to the application. And then as far as the other instructions, so make sure you're going through the instructions. But I even kind of start going down and looking at the rubric. And so you'll create a UML diagram and with a singleton pattern and an iterator pattern. And then, a little bit different, if you were doing this at work, of course, you wouldn't put the purpose of a singleton pattern and the purpose of iterator pattern. But for an assignment in a course, it asks you to actually discuss the purpose and characteristics of the singleton versus the iterator pattern. And so make sure you add a discussion for that. You can tell from your previous rubrics, when you submit your assignment, this is exactly what I go by when I'm doing the assignment. So, going back to the code, you can see that develop the functional code that meets software requirements. And so that is part of fixing these issues in the code and uploading it to Eclipse. And again, I don't want you to get, too concerned about being a Java programmer. Start out with the heart of the project, and then get into the code and start messing with it. I know that part can be the most frustration for the course, but you can see that also that part for this assignment is only 5 points. So getting that application to run is only worth 5 points. Where actually doing the UML diagram, the two patterns, and discussing them is 85–90% of the grade. So again, make sure you're following those. There's the rubrics, and you can see I highlighted these. I'll put this in the post. But again, if you have any questions, email me. Check my email. Like I said, it's open. I check it every morning throughout the day. And just enjoy working on that program, and don't fret over being a Java programmer. Hopefully you do have some experience with Java, but this course doesn't expect you to learn Java to do the course. You can get through the course with a little bit of Java and learning these UML diagrams. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.